Hello and welcome to another video at flashcardsforkindergarten.com. In this video, I'm going to introduce the food flashcards. The food flashcards come in a pack of 62 flashcards as well as this large poster. The flashcards are designed to be used with the sentence pattern, "What food do you like?" I like apple pie, or I like chicken. The flashcards and posters can also be used with "What's your favourite food?" "My favourite food is chocolate," and so on and so forth. Practice with the children by drilling. I like tortillas. I like tofu. I like tacos. To extend the use of your flashcards, why not separate the word from the picture? This way, the flashcards can be used as a matching game. If you like the materials you see in this video and would like hundreds of other flashcards, please visit flashcardsforkindergarten.com. Thank you.